Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video, you'll see the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, that is on expiry day. So first, let's understand the movement of Nifty today, and then we'll see what levels we are looking for tomorrow, as in if you are an option seller and as an option buyer as well, at what levels you can take your new positions. So to start with Nifty, so this is the range where actually market today almost was very much range bound in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. We didn't see any violent moves today. So as an option seller also, it was a very good market. You can short it on the above levels, the calls and the puts both. But overall, if I talk about, so market is still in an uptrend. So as you see in Nifty also, it has taken almost support from 17,300 levels and it's able to sustain that levels. The important thing is that it's not able to sustain above 17,500 530 level. So this will be a important resistance for tomorrow as well. So if Nifty opens anywhere around this level, 17,500 levels, we need to see if Nifty is able to sustain at least 17,550 and above levels before we consider creating any long positions in Nifty. So that's for if you are an option buyer. But if you are a positional option seller, so definitely you could have taken your position below 17,450 to be safe. You could have sold put below this levels and calls above 17,600 levels as an option seller. But if you are taking position tomorrow as an intraday trader, so you have to check on this level. So on the upper side, as I mentioned, 17,560 will hold before you create any intraday long position. Similarly, on the downside, if Nifty breaks 17,450 or 480 to 450 levels, you can go and create your short position given the condition it sustains below this level. So this will be the position levels for Nifty, given that today is also there is some Fed meeting in US, so hopefully that will not impact much in the market, and market is already in kind of an uptrend. So we need to see that whether it's able to sustain that uptrend or it breaks that tomorrow in the expiry. So this is for Nifty. Now let's see the levels for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, actually, if I compare it with Nifty, Bank Nifty was quite strong today. And if you see, but it was almost kind of range bound market. So as an option seller, it was a good market to short on both sides. But as an option buyer, yes, there was an opportunity at this point in the morning when market took a very good up movement above 38,200 and it gone up to 38,400 levels. Almost it touched this level, but it was not able to sustain and immediately come down. But if we check the levels from here, from 8th of August almost, we could see Bank Nifty in a kind of uptrend, and it's able to hold actually 37,650 levels on a weekly chart if we consider this. But if we consider on a daily wise, so tomorrow, for considering as if you're an want to take your position as an intraday trader, the important levels which you have to look for is, first level will be on the upper side will be 38,400. That's what I will consider before you create any long position in Bank Nifty. Similarly, on the downside, I will consider almost 38,150 levels before you create any short position in Bank Nifty. So these are the two levels for Bank Nifty here, 38,150. So this was Bank Nifty was able to maintain this level, but still I would consider this level before you take any short position in Bank Nifty. So if you are taking position as an option buyer, so when Bank Nifty crosses 38,400 levels and above, you can take a long position keeping a stop loss of 40-50 points, and then you can keep trailing your stop loss. Similarly, if you're an option seller, you could have positional option seller would have sold put below this level, below 38,000, and positional call seller could have sold calls above 38,500 levels. So this is for the option seller and option buyer. Banks are quite positive. HDFC, ICICI banks are quite positive. So market can remain either range bound or can be an uptrend given the level sustains tomorrow. So this is what the analysis for tomorrow. Hope you like the video. If you like, you can give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.